This little how-to video here. I already got one connector crimped down. Yeah, my heat shrink. With that, I'll put up on in a second. But we'll just do a little walkthrough. Yeah, I have these 10 gauge wire. OFC. Just take it. Good about enough. I had it come a little bit over the top of it. It's alright. But, just snip a little bit here. Take off a little bit more. There we go. It's a little better. A little twist. So you put the terminal on, it doesn't fucking get all the wires all tangled up. Bought these. Not using these. I don't care for them too much. I like got my regular heat shrinks. Find these a lot easier to work with and shrink on a lot better. Put this on here, slip it over, just gonna hold it like that. Okay, we got these. Let's see, it's got this little notch right here. Take the slit part, just take it, so it's all crimped, and I'll take this part right here. Where the blue's at? Yeah. No, the yellow. Just open gap, 10 and 12. If I can put it sideways, just smash the hell out of it. Yeah, I'll do a little walkthrough. Put it up in there, like that, like so. Okay. Right there. Just crimp the hell out of it. It ain't gonna look so pretty, but you know what? You ain't gonna see it once the fucking heat shrinks on there. See what I'm saying? Not so pretty, right? But a nice solid fucking connection, though. Like I said, where the yellow's at, it's got a little bit of a gap here, but that's what you're gonna stick in here. I just did it this way, crimped it. Okay, now you're gonna turn it sideways in that other spot. Squeeze the hell out of it. Okay, just like that. Looks a lot better, right? Okay. Alright. Everybody's always, oh, you need a heat gun to do this shit. Well, get a fucking Bic. Don't fucking leave it on there forever. You know what I'm saying? Look at that shit. It's all nice. Better than that fucking electrical tape shit. Yep, this shit's gonna be going on my fucking speakers though. Hold up. You know what I'm saying? It's a little big. I got some washers though. Still a fucking nice connection. But it'll do the trick though, right? Alright, yeah, guys. Got more coming up for you. Signing out.